happening.
और तीनों सवाल का जवाब हमें मिल गया है यहाँ पर. So thank you Farhan, thank you so much. Nikhil, Prime Video, as I said, has been giving us quality hits after hits. There's a lot of pressure, I'm sure, for that. And also your journey through the making of the successful Mirzapur season 3.
Thanks, Sachin, and good afternoon, everyone. You know, Mirzapur is extremely special to us. Firstly, because it comes from Excel Entertainment, our closest and longest-standing partners. Farhan is here. Thank you, Farhan. But also because when the first season of this show launched, it became an overnight sensation and a real source of inspiration for the creative fraternity at large in the country, not just for Amazon. It basically showed the power of what high-quality storytelling, engaging storytelling on OTT could do. You know, travel the length and breadth of the country and give people a new way to entertain themselves and watch stories. So that was really special. And then when the second season launched, within I think about the first 7 days, it became the most watched show ever on our service. That's like spectacular. Even today, it has viewership in more than 180 countries. But I think the thing that makes Mirzapur the most special is all these iconic characters that the series has created and the incredible fan love that they have. It is absolutely something else. I know all of you know it and feel it. And so more than nervousness, we are really excited. We've been waiting and now it's a 4-year wait. Our viewers have been waiting patiently or impatiently. And it's finally here. Absolutely excited to share it with them. And I think they will really love season 3. So looking forward to that.
Thank you so much, Nikhil, and definitely Mirzapur has changed the dynamics of content on Prime Video, and also, for belting out some great content, season on season, series on series. So wishing you the best with this one as well. Thank you so much. And I think the conviction and belief Nikhil had is very well conveyed to all of us, to the audiences, as Mirzapur keeps getting bigger, better, हर एक season के साथ, and Prime Video has been instrumental in being the game changer. Now over to Gurmeet and Anand. मैं आप दोनों से सबसे पहले शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा, जैसे Golu also said, it's here, and we would like to thank you, for bringing back fans' favorite show, our favorite show, Mirzapur. The countdown for Mirzapur season 3 has begun, and in a matter of few days, आपकी मेहनत रंग लाने वाली है. मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, what's the feeling like on the excitement barometer? Starting with you.
Well, हर सीजन के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि अब ये एक्साइटमेंट और ये नर्व्स हमारे कंट्रोल में आ गई हैं और अब फिर से सीजन रिलीज होने वाला है. तो अगर मैं शो की भाषा में बोलूँगा तो बहुत फट रही है और हर बार ऐसे ही होता है. एंड वो इसलिए भी है क्योंकि जैसे आप सबने बोला, हमारा जो फैंडम है, शो का जो फैंडम है, जो फैंस हैं, वो रिलेंटलेस है. एंड सीजन 3 की भी थीम वही है, रिलेंटलेस. सो आई होप दे गो आउट एंड एंजॉय इट.
आपने जैसे कहा, मैं तो कहूँगा ट्रेलर देख के हमारी तो बैंड बज गई, इन अ गुड वे, दैट वी वांट टू नो मोर. 5 तारीख कब आएगी? आनंद, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Well, firstly, I myself am a very huge fan of Mirzapur, and imagine my excitement when I got to be a part of this team. I mean, it's a double whammy. And secondly, seeing all the love, it ranges from good wishes से लेके गाली गलौज सब होता है. We take it with a pinch of love. So that shows how involved people are in the whole show and how much they root for all the characters. And what more, I mean, look at the people on stage. I mean, it's like great working with all these set of people.
Thank you, and wishing you the best for this
Thank you
season.
so much.
And now let's move on to Farhan, the unstoppable when it comes to content, delivering massive hits to a global audience. And in simple words, अगर सरल भाषा में कहे तो just excelling beyond boundaries. Excel Media and Entertainment has had a long-standing association with Prime Video, with series such as Made in Heaven, Mirzapur, Inside Edge, and which have returned again. Now, Farhan, what do you think has worked successful, for getting immense success and popularity among the audiences that is back-to-back, series after series coming up, season after season?
I can only say it has to be the writing to start with. I think if the writing is not good, nothing is going to work. We live in an age now, अगर आपको कुछ पसंद नहीं आए तो with the click of a button you can just watch 50 other things. So the writing has to engage you, the characters have to be exciting, and like was just mentioned, I'll repeat that again, with this incredible talent pool that we have on stage and in the show, it's very, very difficult to turn your eyes away. So whether it's the show and the other shows that you mentioned, we've been very fortunate to have been blessed with very, very strong creative teams who know writing for today's audience, and that's what I would credit them with.
Thank you so much. And as you rightly put there, that it's the writers, it's the people who put behind as well, who work together. It's like a funnel, and that what we see is only the final product, but there are so many people involved. So a big shout out and a round of applause for each and every individual, and especially the writers, for giving us Mirzapur. हम सब बड़ी बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं सीजन 3 का। हर गांव शहर में बस यही चर्चे है कि नया भोकाल कब होगा, नया सीजन कब आएगा। Well, thank you so much for those insights, and with that, I request, since we have Mirzapur season 3 के creators and the cast, it's time for a perfect photo op. If I could request you for a nice photo op and come together, I'll hold this. Yeah.